Hey, it's Fuzzy. I've been fortunate enough to be sent by the sponsor this Thumb titanium cutting board. Now, this is a two-sided cutting board, titanium on one side, PP slash food grade on the other. We're going to get into it. Let's have a look. Okay, so as you get into your box, you've got instructions and some questions that get answered in the manual. It tells you what you can do with it and so on and so forth. Yeah, here's just a simple rundown of how it works. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see that it's got a hang-up handle. Okay, now this handle, put it up on your ceiling or put it up on the wall or whatever, where that's super convenient, right? Okay, so there's your titanium side and there's your food grade side. Now, this is crafted with pure titanium, which is widely used in the aerospace industry. You all know that because the space shuttle and all that, they all got titanium on it. And in the medical field, right? Making titanium, you know, one of the globally recognized biocompatible metals. So, you know, nothing can stick to it. It's hard to cut. You know, everything is really good with titanium. I use titanium where I can, what I do in my living, and yeah, it's great. Now, the PP side is a food grade plastic, okay? Now, this is really good for vegetables and breads, you know, anything that doesn't have, like raw meat, you can get bacteria and so on and so forth, and that's why your titanium side is on this side. Okay, so both sides are equipped with the antibacterial flow groove. This is the groove right here on this side, on the titanium side, and this is your groove on this side, on the PP side, okay? Food grade. They prevent, you know, your juices from coming off and going onto your counter like this and so on and so forth. Now, what I want to show you is how this gets knife marks, but it doesn't cut into the titanium, okay? Nothing like this one here. Now, this is the wood one right here. Now, we've had this for a while, and you can see the cuts in here. Now, what happens is the bacteria sits in these cuts, and you can't get them out unless you clean it really good and then sand these off and make them smooth. And you can hear, yeah, you can hear the cuts in there with the knives, okay? Now, this is kind of the same thing. It does have a drip tray and everything, but I'm trying to get away from the bacteria from cutting meat because I don't want to cut on my big butcher's block right here and mess it up. So this thing is going to come in really convenient, and let's give her a try. Okay, so I just took out some ribeye steaks and I wanted to cut them up because they're so big. And I wanted to show you guys the marks that I made on here. And it doesn't really hurt your blades of your knives because it's not penetrating the metal. And that's what's nice about titanium, okay? If it was any other kind of metal, aluminum or whatever, of course you'd never use aluminum, but it would penetrate and make deep grooves in it and dull your knives, okay? Now that's not saying it's, you know, you got to keep your knives sharp and go from there. But I just want to show you that, and we're going to clean this up. And another thing I want to show you is the drip part of it, how it catches the you know, the blood that when it comes down, it's going to catch that blood on this groove, and it's about 3 millimeters thick. So you know it can hold quite a bit of moisture before it starts to come off. Okay. All right, let's clean this up, and I'm going to show you the marks that it made, and then we're going to use the other side. Okay, so we got it all cleaned up, and I wanted to show you guys the marks it made and see if you can see them in the light. Okay, now check that out. Hardly even a scratch on there, but you can definitely see the knife marks on here, but they're just surface marks, right? So that's all they are. Okay, so this side here is the antibacterial grain fiber surface. Okay, so this is, they call it the PP, food grade side. All right, so this is great for, you know, not contaminating your food, being meat or chicken or whatever you want. On the other side, the titanium side, and cross-contaminating with your vegetables and so on and so forth. Now I got watermelon here. I want to show you just how the drip works and so on and so forth. And then when you're cutting it, you know, you can just go at your own business and just do your cutting. Ooh, that's good. Yeah. Okay, now you can see there's lots of runoff on this thing. Like I got too much now, but if you're not going to spill it and make it all go on an angle, it'll catch all your liquids and so on and so forth. Okay, and you know it'll work its way around till it's right full, and then obviously you're going to have to dump it. Okay, so really cool, convenient cutting board, especially for us being not wanting to cut on our big board and mess it up and have bacteria all the time on the big butcher's block and go from there. But all in all, great product, and that's my review. Thanks for coming. Oh, that's so good.